Blessed afternoon to all of you. Currently, I am taking Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. I am Christopher. One word can I describe to Ma'am Gonzales is diligent, because she strives to teach and to do her role, her duty. Nagagampanan niya yung kanyang tungkulin, both as a principal and as an English teacher. At sa aking mga past observations on her, nakikita ko na yung mga learners talagang nagsisikap na matuto, especially pag sila po yung magre-recite. They need to maximize their voice and always na nakatayo, so that their answers are ensured na naririnig. So yung madi-describe ko kay Ma'am Gonzales is yung pagiging diligent po niya, na yan lang po.
Thank you po.
Edit na lang ninyo.